Passage number 4. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Start. When the initial appointment is for a period not exceeding 6 months, it may be made without consulting the Commission in the first instance, no matter whether the appointment is made by government or by an authority subordinate to government, but consultation with the Commission should be dispensed with only if it is necessary in the public interest that the appointment should be made immediately, full stop. This power of making appointment without consulting the Commission should be exercised with the care and discretion, full stop, if the appointment is not immediately necessary or there is no time to consult the Commission before making it. The Commission should first be consulted about the appointment, full stop, even where it is found necessary to make the appointment at once, and the reasons for not consulting the Commission communicated, full stop. There may be cases in which the initial appointment is for 6 months or less but is likely to be extended beyond 6 months, full stop. In such cases, the Commission should be consulted at least 2 months before the extension, regarding the suitability of the person's appointment to the post, full stop. In all cases of direct recruitment, the post must be advertised through the Commission, full stop. Consequently, when the initial period of appointment is 6 months or less, and then extended, immediate steps should be taken to request the Commission to advertise the post in the usual way and to select a suitable candidate, full stop. Complaints have been made that, in a number of cases, temporary appointments are made without any real urgency and with the intention of giving the temporary selectees an almost decisive advantage over those who may apply later, full stop. Government is anxious that there should be no room for complaints of this kind, full stop. They, therefore, desire that scrupulous care should be taken to ensure that the power of making temporary appointments without consulting the Commission is used only in cases of real necessity to make the appointment immediately, full stop. With a little foresight and some planning, temporary appointments could, in most cases, be referred to the Commission in sufficient time, full stop. The end.